Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the tuna sandwich. To begin, gather all your fresh ingredients. You'll need quality canned tuna, your favorite bread, and essential condiments like mayonnaise. Don't forget some crisp lettuce and a ripe tomato for added freshness. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create the delicious tuna salad. First, drain your canned tuna very well to avoid a watery sandwich. Then, flake the tuna into a bowl using a fork, aiming for small, consistent pieces. Stir in about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, finely diced celery, and a little onion. Finish by seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. With your tuna salad ready, it's time to assemble. Lightly toast 2 slices of your chosen bread for a pleasant crunch. Spread a generous amount of tuna salad evenly over 1 slice, extending almost to the edges. Layer on fresh, crisp lettuce leaves and thin slices of ripe tomato. Finally, gently place the second slice of bread on top to complete your sandwich. Your perfect tuna sandwich is now complete. For a classic presentation and easier eating, cut your sandwich diagonally from corner to corner. Serve it immediately to enjoy the freshest flavors and textures. It pairs wonderfully with a side of potato chips, a crunchy pickle spear, or a light green salad. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.